Wow, 100 episodes. When I started this podcast, I wasn't even sure I'd make it to 10. And here we are, 100 episodes in. Well, actually, 101. Still stripping away the hype and chasing what actually works, getting you real solutions. So firstly, I'd like to say a big thank you. Your ears, your time, and your shares are truly appreciated. Keep coming back and listening to the show because I really believe together we can help more people in the world find freedom through fitness. Done the real way, done the right way. So to celebrate, I'm not bringing you one big idea today. I'm bringing you 101 small ones. Some tips, some truths, and a few cheeky home truths that I've gathered over 30 years of coaching real people through life. It's quick fire, easy to use. So grab a cup of tea, get a pen and a notepad, and part one starts now. You're listening to the Real Longevity Podcast, your number one podcast resource for living a longer life. Here we discuss topics on personal fitness, longevity, and real lasting elevation of mind, body, and spirit. Join us as we build a community of healthy men and women enjoying lasting levels of real health and vitality. If you're currently feeling frustrated with pain, flat, or fed up with aging faster than you actually are, you're invited to join us each and every week here on the Real Longevity Podcast. Welcome to the Real Longevity family and get ready to live a life you truly love. Welcome to the Real Longevity Podcast. I'm your host, Mike Hendricks, and today we have another outstanding, informative, and elevating show for you. Thank you. This is our episode 101. And thank you for being a part of those 100 plus episodes. And if you join us here for the first time, where have you been? Welcome. We're splitting down into two parts because we're going to be sharing with you 101 tips, insights, and overviews that you can really put into your life. We're splitting it down into two parts so you can take it away with you without drowning or feeling overwhelmed. Today, the foundations, how you think, how you eat, and how you start to move. Some of these are serious. Some of these will hopefully make you smile, but all of them will work. So it's quick fire round. Grab yourself a coffee if you're in the car. Remember to just bookmark this and you can come back to it at a later date. All right, let's jump in. Number one, you're not old, you're under-maintained. Most of what you blame on your age is just years of skipped maintenance. The good news, maintenance, you can start today to make a change. Number two, stop waiting for motivation. It's a flaky friend who shows up after you've started, never before. Begin without him. Number three, own your next choice, not the next decades. You can't edit the past, but you can absolutely choose your next meal, next walk, or your next bedtime routine. Number four, your body believes what you tell it. Call yourself crooked or pasty enough times, and your body will take your word for it. Change your language, change your life. Number five, compare yourself to a yesterday you, not your 25-year-old self, and definitely not to anyone on the internet with a 6-inch ring light. Health is a deposit account, not a lottery ticket. Small, boring deposits compound. That's the truth. There's no jackpot. Number seven, I'll start Monday is the most fascinating phrase in the English language. Monday has carried more abandoned health promises than any other day. Start on Tuesday if you have to, but never start on a Monday. Number eight, find a why you actually love. To look good fades in February. To carry my grandchild up the stairs lasts a lifetime. Number nine, discomfort is a skill, not a punishment. Learn to sit with a little more of it on purpose. It's where growth lives. 10. Perfectionism is just procrastination in a nice outfit. Done imperfectly always beats planned perfectly every single time. Number 11, talk to yourself like someone you're responsible for. You wouldn't scream at a friend who missed a workout. Extend the same grace inwards. Number 12, track how you feel, not just what you weigh. Energy, sleep, mood, ease of movement tell a true story than the scales ever will. Number 13, the scale is a moody light before noon. It reflects water, salt, and last night's curry. Number 14, decide once, not daily. Every choice you pre-make, lay out the kit. Plan the lunch is number 14, decide once, not daily. Every choice you pre-make makes it easier. Lay out the gym kit. Plan the lunch is one that you don't have to deal with willpower later. Your environment beats your intentions. Keep the biscuits in the house and you'll always lose. Don't out-discipline a full biscuit tin just to buy them. As it says in Romans 12, verse 2, be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Real change is an inside job before it's ever an outside one. So remember that. Number 16, protein with every meal. It's the one nutrient that protects the muscle, keeps you strong, upright, and independent after the age of 45. Number 17, if your grandmother wouldn't recognize it as food, be suspicious. Most of the trouble lives in the food that we eat, and it's grown often in the lab, not grown in a field. Number 18, eat 30 plants a week. Vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, herbs, pulses. Variety on the plate builds a variety in the gut. Number 19, drink a glass of water before you decide you're hungry. Half of mid-afternoon hunger is not just hunger, it's thirsty wearing a disguise. So drink water before you decide that you're hungry. Number 20, eat slowly enough so you can taste it. Your I'm full signals arrives about 20 minutes late. Give it time to catch up. Number 21, vegetables first. Start a plate with the greens and you'll naturally leave less room for the regrettable stuff. 22, a diet with an end date has an expiry date built in. If you can't see yourself eating this in 10 years, it's a fad, not a plan. Number 23, don't fear the yolk. Whole eggs are one of the most complete foods on the 1980s lied to you about eggs. Ignore it. Number 24, crash diets eat your muscle, not just your fat. Lose weight too fast and you'll sacrifice the very thing keeping you metabolically young. That's your muscle. Number 25, hydrate like it's your job. Energy, skin, joint, and concentration all run better when watered and hydrated properly. Aim to sip steadily, not just chug in panic at 9 p.m. Number 26, plan one meal ahead. The decisions you make on a full stomach are much wider than the ones you make when you're starving or staring at the fridge door. Number 27, treats are fine, just stop calling them rewards. You're a grown adult now, not a Labrador. Food isn't a medal for behaving good. Number 28, fiber is the unsung hero. If it feeds your gut, steadies your energy, and keeps things moving, oats, beans, lentils, leafy greens, this is a good thing. Number 29, read the label, not the front of the box. Low fat on the front usually means extra sugar. Be aware of that. Number 30, coffee is fine. Coffee as breakfast is not. Caffeine on an empty stomach just borrows energy from later with interest, so be mindful of your coffee intake. 31, cook at home more than you think you should. You control the salt, the sugar, and the portion sizes. Takeaways control all three of those for their profit. 32, alcohol is empty calories with a hangover tax. No need for sainthood, Just be honest about what nightly glass really is costing you and how it impacts your sleep. Number 33, eat the rainbow, not the beige. If your plate is brown, beige, and breaded, your gut is bored, and so are your cells. As it says in 1 Corinthians 6:19-20, your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit. Therefore, honor God with your body. How you feed it is part of the honor. Number 34, walking is the most underrated exercise on earth. Free, joint friendly, mood lifting, and endlessly repeatable. If you don't know where to start here always. Number 35, the best exercise is the one you actually do. A perfect plan you abandon loses to a modest one you keep. Number 36, consistency beats intensity. 20 honest minutes most days will outperform a heroic 2-hour session you do twice infrequently. Number 37, strength training is a non-negotiable after 45. Muscle is your armor against fragility. Lifting a little regularly is how you keep it. Number 38, if you can't do 10 minutes due to lowering the bar to do something that you can do, clearly be assessing it where you can't do it at all. Number 39, sitting is the new smoking. So fidget, stand, stretch, wander every half hour. Your hips were not designed to sit for an 8-hour meeting. Move your body. 40, train movement, not muscle. Sit to stand, carries, step-ups, pushes, pulls, and the patterns that you do in everyday real life, they are where you get the benefits from. Number 41, you don't need a gym to get strong. A chair, your body weight, and a pair of tin of beans will start the job nicely. Number 42, warm up like you intend to keep the body. 5 minutes of easy movement now saves 5 weeks of nursing an injury. Warm up effectively. Number 43, take the stairs and call it training. Free cardio, free leg day, and you'll skip that awkward lift small talk. Everybody wins. Take the stairs and call it training. Number 44, balance is a lose it or use it skill. Brush your teeth standing on one leg. 2 minutes a day future-proofs you against falls and maintains good balance. Number 45, soreness is feedback, not a trophy. A little stiffness is fine. Pain that lingers in your body is asking you to ease off, not push through. Number 46, move before you medicate the stiffness. Morning stiffness usually wants gentle motion more than it wants a pill. Number 47, park at the far end of the car park. Most reliable exercise is the kind that you don't have to schedule. Number 48, make it social. Walking with a friend turns exercise into a catch-up. Number 49, recovery is part of training, not a day off from it. The session is a stimulus. The adaptation happens while you rest. Skip recovery and you skip the results. Number 50, dance in the kitchen. It counts. Nobody's watching and your heart doesn't even know it's proper exercise. Dance, enjoy life. So, my friends, that is 50. And you'll probably notice that none of them asked you to overhaul your life by Monday. And that's the whole point, really. The real longevity is built from small, relatable things done with one love, a little bit of humor as well. Realize where you are, eat right for your body, start moving the right way, and keep it up. Put it on repeat. That's the simple, real rejuvenation framework that you hear me sharing and hoping to inspire you into action. If part 1 lit a spark, don't let it fade before part 2. My free 7-reel roadmap turns these foundations into a simple plan that you can start this week. It's yours, no strings attached. You can just download it. There'll be a link in the show notes for you to access it. Pick 3 tips from it today and put them to work. Then meet me back here where we'll cover the rest of the movement recovery and the deeper stuff that makes it all last. Thank you for tuning. I trust you found this insightful and uplifting. Until next time, remember, be well, be wise, be cool, be calm, and keep it real. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.